Hey guys, this is Roger, streaming again, I hope, and maybe my face is a little bit better in frame here this time. Wanted to go over today's 2024 ICT mentorship kind of setup or not setup, however you want to look at it. It was kind of interesting. We really had a big run up overnight, the London session pre-market here, and ended up kind of in nosebleed territory, I guess, a little bit. We had the VWAP way down here, and we had buy side way down here, midnight open way down here. It was kind of interesting. I was on a live stream with Patrick Wieland. We took just a long scalp. Thankfully, got out of it. Took a dump after that, and I mean really down, which we also got into. The first fair value gap presented is up in here, and I marked it. There was nothing to trade there for, as you can see, till afternoon session. Um, but what you can see is that gap was quickly closed 100%. Now ICT says that 70% of the time it'll go at least 50% in the first 30 minutes. Did that and more. Down here to the opening new day opening gap, which most of the times I've been marking this recently, the open and the close are on the within a point of each other, and they're just on top of each other. But here we had buy side, midnight open. All these things can be, um, kind of a magnet, I guess. And if you notice here down at the bottom, hopefully my face isn't in the way here. The Monday first presentation gap. Look where that dump stopped. Just within a couple of points of that, about 10 points there of that Monday gap that ICT says we should look at all week long, and just short of Sunday open. Well, then we ripped right back onto the top, went all the way up into the gap, and then kind of dinked around. Look how this again, ICT says VWAP means nothing, but Patrick Wieland disagrees. Look how it hit it and reversed here. Look how it went up through it here, bounced on it twice. And I mean, darn near to the point here, and up and down, bounced on it twice again. Come on. Just have a hard time saying that VWAP doesn't mean anything. And then finally up back through this first presentation fair value gap for the day. And look what it did, just up through it, back down, up through it, just, mohawks, so to speak, and back down, just up through it a little bit more, back down. And after it's been through that many times, I'm not sure if it's meaningful, but here it came down a little bit again to that 75% level that we saw over here and pretty close over here. Oops, sorry. And then back up into it, down, back up just through it, down, back up over it, back to RTH open, just a little bit of a mohawk from RTH open, regular trading hours open, and then faded back through it, squiggled through that area again, and then dropped into the close. So I'm not sure how you trade all this mess over here, or if you should or could. I kind of tried to get a couple scalps. I was able to make them green, kind of more from, I guess, good trade management than anything else. It wasn't really a good setup in the end. But anyway, that's what we did today. We did end up green. Although, quite frankly, some of this stuff kind of caught me off sides here, and I didn't have a stop tight enough. Lost a little more than I probably should have. And trying to make it back with small scalps sometimes takes time. Um, but anyway, we did end up with some nice solid green. So hope that helps. We're still again watching and tracking how this works out, and going to keep doing that and trading it as I see fit. But this is not financial advice. You are responsible for your own trading, your own money. I'm not recommending you do anything of the sort. And but I do hope that you have a nice evening. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, a subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.